In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to see who rewatched your Snapchat story. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged in. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. In order to rewatch story, you will need to upgrade to the Snapchat Plus. The rewatch story feature is only available for the Snapchat Plus subscribers. In case you haven't subscribed to Snapchat Plus, click on this option Snapchat Plus, then click on next. Now complete the payment process. Once you have upgraded to the Snapchat Plus, you will be able to view who rewatched your story on Snapchat. Head back, navigate to your story. Now open your story insights. At the bottom left corner of your story screen, you will see the rewatch count option. Simply tap on it and you will be able to view how many friends have rewatched your story. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check who rewatched your Snapchat story. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.